of trade. So here we have it, the first take on the opening bell, a solid 25 points higher. Okay, that's not solid from any angle, but it's in the green nevertheless, right? We got to sort of celebrate all wins. Small wins here for the market, 30 points in the green for the Nifty, building on to its gains now. 20,130 and holding on to that psychological level. The Sensex is up 100 odd points. The Bank Nifty is also in the green, up about 116 points. So good opening, decent opening for the market, building on to its gains from yesterday. What's leading from the front is auto stocks. Hero, Eicher, Tata Motors are all in the green, up about 0.5 to 2%. Auto sales come out tomorrow, so we'll focus on that later. Oil marketing companies have been doing well. BPCL is up 1.5%. Cement stocks are back. Grasim, Ultratech Cement, all in the green right now. Titan continues to put on weight, up about 0.5%. And then you have something like an LTI Mindtree, Power Grid, Divi's Labs, Dr. Reddy's, all doing pretty well in trade. So what's lagging is Reliance is slightly under pressure, nothing alarming. Tata Steel, Asian Paints, JSW Steel, Bharti just flat with a bit of a negative bias, and Maruti as well, flat with a bit of a negative bias. But the market is holding on to its gains from yesterday and sort of building on to the weight. As we were telling you earlier, the standout performer in the last few days has been the Bank Nifty. There has been a breakout in the Bank Nifty, and that's something that continues. Once again, 120 points in the green for the Bank Nifty. The star of the moment has to be IRDA. So after the big rally yesterday, it's another 13% higher for IRDA this morning and piling on the volumes as well. So clearly all the action is in the new listing.
Well, that's right, Sonia. IRDA is the one that's flying away. So big gains is what you're seeing out there. Even if you bought yesterday, you'd be happy because you'll be making some money today. PBCL, that one's up and about in today's trading session. They announced a big deal yesterday with their foray into specialty chemicals. And overnight as well, they've signed a JV agreement with an Australian company. That's Hindalco with a $44 million infusion. So that one's up closer around 3%. Grasim Industries, there's a meeting today. We'll have to see what's the outcome out there. The stock has seen a big rally already from the recent lows. It's up close to 100%. It's one of the top volume gainers after the last few days of being in circuit. We are seeing some bit of selling from the high point of the day. Let's see what's the outcome of the meeting with regard to debt repayment as well as debt refinancing. Nykaa, they have announced that tie-up with Metro for for the sneakers. So that one as well is up closer around 2%. You have Suzlon, some of that rejig, I think rebalance had to take place. So that stock as well is higher. It's up closer around 1%. It's seen a bit of selling in the last few days, but that one for starters as well holding in the green. And I think Poonawalla Finance, that one as well is one of the top volume traded stocks. That as well is up closer around 3.5% or thereabouts. Prashant, what else?
Poonawalla was a big mover yesterday. It was up, I think, almost about 7-8%, and it continues with the gains today. I mean, actually, you mentioned Nykaa. Look at Metro Brands as well, which is up 5.5%. So 1,400 plus on Metro Brands on very large volumes for this point in the day.